it's me, and I'm going to be in the video. I'm going to be sorting some of my fidgets, not all of them, because some of them we've lost, most of them we've lost, but I do have a pile of fidgets right here. So I'm going to be putting these into, there is going to be 2 parts, sorry, but there's not just, it doesn't fit enough in. So this is my first bag. I'm going to be doing this in part 1, and then part 2 I'm going to be filling up this bag. Maybe I'll make a part 3 if I can find the rest of my fidgets, but part 1. So, oh, and just so you know, I'm going to be calling you guys attack helicopters because I don't have a better name to call anyone. So I'm not going to say viewers that much. I'm just going to say attack helicopters. So if you don't like attack helicopters, if you want, and you can, just comment down below what I should call you guys. I am going to call you attack helicopters for now, just warning you. So first, pop it. It's rainbow. Is that surprising? Ooh, surprising. A dinosaur. A cupcake. Cupcake. And this book that I barely wrote in, I wrote my book of stuff, and then I wrote my best friend's name. So, and so that's going in there. I'm counting it as a fidget because, you know, it has sequence. Then I have this water timer. So satisfying. Putting that in there. And then I'm going to put a slap bracelet in there. And lastly, in this bigger compartment, worm, caterpillar thing. I don't even know what to call it because I don't know what it is. But except for the top one. And record time right now. Trying. Don't want to bore everyone with a long video, but trying. So first thing, I would put these into 8s and infinity things. I would give them to my friends as a birthday present for their 8th birthday. Yeah, because I couldn't find anything else. This pea popper. And mini pop-it. I think this can fit. Yep. Another mini pop-it. I'm going to put that. I think I can fit some more things. Monkey noodles. Only 4 of them though. And that's going to be it for part 1. Here is part 1. And we still have a bunch left. So, come back for part 2. Bye, guys.